In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play chess variants on chess.com. Whether you're a seasoned player or a curious beginner looking to spice up your chess experience, I'll guide you through the simple steps needed to dive into the fascinating world of chess variants on this comprehensive online platform. First, let's navigate to chess.com, where you can enjoy countless free chess games. Open your preferred web browser and type in chess.com in the address bar, or simply click on the link if you're following along from the description. Once you've arrived, you'll notice a clean interface inviting you to either sign up or log in. Since we want to get you started right away, let's go ahead and click on the login button. You'll find this located prominently in the left middle section of the page, making it easy to access. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your username and password in the designated fields. Make sure you've got these handy, as they're your keys to the world of chess on this platform. But don't worry, if you prefer streamlined access, chess.com offers integration with various platforms. You can opt to log in with your Google, Apple or Facebook account if you set up an account through those. This option simplifies the process, removing the need to remember yet another password. For those using Google accounts, just select the Gmail account linked with your chess.com profile. Many users prefer this method for its convenience and speed. Once you're successfully logged in, your dashboard will open up and you'll be ready to dive into the games. Now let's get to the fun part, playing. On your homepage, look for the play button and click it. You're now just a couple of clicks away from exploring various chess landscapes. Next, you'll want to click on 4-player and variants. This is where the magic happens, offering you a new twist on the traditional game. You will be presented with a list of fascinating chess variants, each with its unique set of rules and strategies. Take your time to explore the options and decide which variant piques your interest. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click play to create a challenge. This action will either set up a game for you or create an open challenge for others to join. Alternatively, head over to the lobby if you're feeling a bit more social or adventurous. Here you can accept an open challenge from other players. It's a fantastic way to test your new variant skills against different opponents, all eager for a game. And that's it. You're now all set to enjoy endless hours of strategic fun with chess variants on chess.com. With these simple steps, chess.com opens the door to a vast world of exciting and diverse chess experiences. Happy playing!